Alright, see with me, I'm not gonna waste your time like how Naz did. I'm gonna show you the right way, right? Cut your butter and cream cheese and put it in the pot. Add half a cup of milk. Let that sit on low heat until it all forms together. Add a little vanilla extract. You want it to have this type of consistency, dig? And we're gonna let it cool off for a second. Turn off the heat. Let it cool down. And bring it all the way to the egg. One spool. You have 8 egg yolks right here. Slightly pour it down. Make sure you sift in cornstarch. Sift in this flour. Mix this in. 13 egg whites. 8 egg yolks. 13 egg whites. Right? Bring it over. Whip this up. Gradually add sugar. Slightly incorporate this to this. Right. Take that and then fold it in. Now we're over here. This time we have a little bit of butter. Make sure the parchment seals all around. Put this down first, wrap the whole side, then pour this in. It will tap it on the table so all the air can come out. Grab a water bath, bring this in here, put this in the oven for 320 degrees for about 25 minutes. And then we're gonna reduce the heat to 280 and we're gonna leave it in for 55 minutes. Right. Look at that f***ing cake. Stop playing with me, hold on.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
I know y'all see that. We're gonna try this out real quick. You gotta put the syrup on it, you bugging. Whoa!